Pan ddath yr enw allan o'r het ar gyfer ail rownd ragbrofol Cwpan Cymru, dim ond un lle oedd camerau sgorio mynd i fod pnawn 'ma, felly dyma ni yng Nghaergybi wrth i Hotspur fynd benben ar dre.
This is the first ever banner. Yeah, 1990. Original. With a B. Yeah, the very first one.
It's the first competitive meeting of the both teams in such a high standard match. Yeah, it is a big occasion. The only good news is there will be a Holyhead team going through to the first round.
O Trevor, dim ond un lle ydych chi'n mynd i fod pnawn 'ma, ynde?
Ia, bos o Caergybi, bod gymdeithas i goedd yma cadw llygad, ond dau dîm o'r tre, jyst dangos chi pa mor gryf ydi pêl-droed Caergybi.
Basically, we copied Lazio, but it's our own idea behind it with the boat. It goes behind the harbourman name and people that come in 1925 and 1960s to work in the harbour. That was the whole basis behind it. I think 360 we've sold so far, a lot of them to Italy itself. Lazio have got on top of it, which is great, you know, and they're all following us, Facebook, Twitter, every game they're following us, so, you know, it's great for the club.
I think the official figure was something like 700, so good crowd for the town. Yeah, very good. Yeah, everyone's been talking about it for the last 5 or 6 weeks at least now. It's been the talk of the town, and yeah, it's been a really great event, and everyone's been looking forward to it.
Yeah, a derby match, my first time, and I'm loving it.
Really tense, we just done enough to get through, but it'll be good for us next round now to test ourselves against the teams in the higher league again. But like I say, bragging rights are ours, so we're happy now.
It's always going to be a big challenge, a local derby. All the tacklers going to be flying in. There'll be a bit of banter around town tonight in our local pub. They'll most probably come there like the Holyhead Hotspur players will come and wind it up. But it's all friendly banter.
Yeah, it was very challenging, but I feel like we did ourselves proud. Like.
Yeah, you can certainly hold your heads high this evening now.
Yeah, well, hold that head high and hold that pint high as well. Yeah.